RFC, an event from the top 10 world's toughest motor races, made for off-road warriors like you. If you have what it takes to test yourselves and your machines to the extreme and beyond, then this event is for you to take the bulls by the horns. We shall be waiting for you at the Mother Event RFC in Malaysia at the end of November. And if you have the extra time, we would like to invite you to our RFC Global Series taking place from Europe to Asia. Thank you, Offroad Addiction, for your passion with us in the RFC. This is Luis JAV signing off.
Welcome to episode 2 of Offroad Addiction. Featuring in this episode is the footage of the 2014 Rainforest Challenge in Malaysia. This will be a 2-part series, so look out for part 2 coming later in the season. I would like to extend a big thank you to Mervyn and the rest of Team Splitfire for hosting us as crew for Truck 129. These guys really made us feel like family and took us to amazing places to eat, and we are very grateful for the opportunity. Day 1 of the RFC was spent at the One City shopping complex in Kuala Lumpur. This is where they did the vehicle scrutineering, and later on in the evening we had the event briefing. Day 2, we departed in a convoy to complex KBS in Seremban. This was an incredible convoy. We had 120 vehicles, mostly on Cymex or Silverstone tyres. Now we had a complete police escort from Kuala Lumpur to Seremban, and this was absolutely incredible. We arrived in Seremban around 12 noon for the opening ceremony, and everybody got ready for the flagging off. Once we were all flagged off, we headed off once again with police escorted convoy towards the Novel Hotel in Port Dickson. After arriving at the Novel Hotel at Port Dickson, we checked in, set up and went out to go and watch the Prologue SS. Now this was good. This was a viewers event for the general public. It was set up near on the roadside or not far from, so that everybody could come along and see what the RFC is all about.
She still calls the shots.
After the day's events of driving to Port Dickson, then watching the Prologue SS, we went back to the hotel to cook up some dinner and have some relaxing downtime.
Hi, I'm David Metcalf. I'm here with Offroad Addiction. We're having a bit of a yap about RFC Malaysia. Even they were over there last year, and what an event it was. As you can see, the sun's shining here, nothing like Malaysia. The Rainforest Challenge is, started back in '96, and it's just an ongoing event. If you've got what it takes, it's well worth the trip to get over there, even though there's a lot of other competitions throughout the world.
Sunday morning, we got up nice and early and set off across the road to go watch the remainder of the Prologue SS stage at Port Dickson. As you can see in these clips, there was a various amount of stages set with varying difficulties, from going through water to climbing up muddy hills and little articulated holes to climb in and out of. Day 4 saw an early morning departure to head towards the Rainforest district for the Predator SS. This was our first taste of the jungle. Getting to the Predator campsite was a challenge in itself for the support vehicles. There was a few sharp, short hill climbs to get up and a couple of small gullies to cross. But once we got there, we were in dense jungle and it was absolutely beautiful. We had our nice humble abode set up for us, which consisted of a tarp hanging from a tree and 2 camp stretchers on the jungle floor. After we got comfortable and settled in, it was time to go and watch the Predator SS. And we were very pleased to know that all the stages were very close to the campsite.
It was also an event where we did more off-road driving than what we have done in the past. It's not like anything we were doing back in '98, because believe it or not, Malaysia is moving forward. There's a lot of roads being put in, there's a lot of dams. So a lot of the old drive routes we took through the jungle are no longer there. But last year was absolutely brilliant. You know, bits of off-road driving, you know, capable vehicles. The twilight zone was an in and out, which was demanding. But the SS, I think, were some of the best I've seen. You know, we had jungle SS, we had to get in there, which became a bit of a nightmare. We had to get out, which was another nightmare. But the SS in general, they're tight, you know, just cut into the jungle, and was good.
Day 5, we had the continuation of the Predator SS. Lewis and his team had done a great job setting up these stages. We spent the day watching very gnarly hill climbs and descents to tracks dropping into creeks, climbing over rocks. It was a great test for man and machine. Coming up in the next episode is footage from the Kiwi 4x4 Teams Challenge event in Wellington, New Zealand, and also some footage from the Woodhill 100 off-road race here in Auckland, New Zealand. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Make sure you share our page around so no one you know gets left behind and misses out on the action.